You've been lied to about the Scotch egg. It's not actually Scottish. It wasn't invented for picnics on misty moors by a kilted genius. So, where did Britain's most mysterious snack really come from? Let's roll back to 1738 London. A swanky grocer called Fortnum and Mason claims they made it first. A hard-boiled egg wrapped in seasoned sausage, rolled in crumbs, fried golden. Perfect for well-heeled travelers heading north. Eat with one hand, no cutlery. Portable protein before protein bars were cool. But here's the twist. Nargisi kofta. Mughal cooks wrapping eggs in spiced mince, simmered in gravy. Did British traders bring the idea home and add breadcrumbs? Timing, method, and the spice trail don't lie. So why call it Scotch? Theory 1, to Scotch, score or mincemeat. Theory 2, a nod to Scotch collops. Theory 3, Victorian marketing, adding Scotch to sound hardy and honest. Pick your favorite. The dictionary won't save you here. There's a Yorkshire curveball. In Whitby, Scott and Sons sold Scotties, eggs in fish paste. Tasty, but not the classic. It muddied the waters and helped the myth stick. Through the 1800s, the Scotch egg rode the railway boom. Cold meats, chutneys, pickles. Working folks got an affordable, filling bite. Posh hampers got a showy centerpiece. By mid-20th century, factory versions took over, uniform, safe, and sometimes a bit sad. Then pubs rescued the legend, craft butchers, runny yolks, serious seasoning back in the spotlight. Here's what actually matters. A real Scotch egg is about contrast. Warm spice in the sausage, nutmeg, white pepper, maybe a whisper of mace. A yolk that blushes, not crumbles. A crust that shatters, then gives way to tender meat. Eat it hot with brown sauce, or cold with mustard and a pickle. It's a meal you can hold. Myth bust recap, not definitively Scottish. Likely London retail meets global inspiration. Name probably from scotched meat or smart branding. Popularized by travel, picnics and pubs. And the untold bit? It's not just a snack, it's a map. Empire trade, immigrant techniques, British convenience culture, modern foodie revival. Bite into one and you're tasting a whole timeline. So next time someone swears their gran invented it, smile, take a bite, and drop this. The Scotch egg is Britain's most portable history lesson. Crispy outside, global inside. Now, are you team runny yolk or fully set?